I tried Unchained Capital Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Unchained Capital Wallet app, I expected another standard Bitcoin wallet. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth hit me: this isn't just a wallet. It's a complete Bitcoin security and custody system designed for serious holders, not casual traders. On day 1, I set up my account and was immediately introduced to the concept of multi-sig security, meaning multiple private keys are required to access funds. Unlike most wallets that rely on one key, Unchained Capital uses a collaborative custody model. You hold one key, they hold another, and a third one can be stored with a backup provider. It's the ultimate protection against single-point failure. By day 2, I realized the beauty of this setup. Even if Unchained disappeared tomorrow, I could still recover my Bitcoin using my keys. That's a huge deal. Most people get this wrong. When your wallet provider controls your recovery, you don't fully own your crypto. Here, you truly do. Midweek, I explored their financial services, Bitcoin-backed loans, inheritance planning, and vaults. The vaults especially stood out. I created a multi-sig vault in minutes, and every transaction required my manual approval. It gave me peace of mind knowing no one could move my Bitcoin without my consent. By day 6, I tried the loan feature. You can borrow cash without selling your Bitcoin. It stays safely in your vault as collateral. It's ideal for long-term holders who want liquidity without giving up their B8s. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. Unchained Capital isn't just a wallet app. It's a bridge between true self-custody and professional-grade financial management. It's built for people who see Bitcoin as generational wealth, not a quick trade. If you want full control, real security, and the peace of mind that comes with owning your Bitcoin outright, Unchained Capital delivers exactly that. This app changed the way I think about crypto storage forever.